Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Paycom. Paycom is an online payroll service and HR software solution for both big and small businesses to manage the entire employment lifecycle. It takes the payroll process entirely online, and their payroll solution is designed for an easy and error-free experience so employees are paid accurately on time. If you'd like to log into Paycom, click Open a web browser. In the address bar at the top, type in paycom.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Paycom. In order to log into your account, go and click on the login option at the top right, which will bring out an expanded menu. Select your designation from where you'd like to log into your account. You can log in as a client, employee, or accountant. Choose any one option. On the next page, you'll need to enter your credentials. Enter your username in the first text box. Once you do that, head over to the next field and type in the password for your account. If you'd like to double check your password, you can click on the eye icon at the right corner. Once you've double checked and you're sure you've typed in the correct password, you can type in the last 4 digits of your social security number in the text box. In case you don't remember your username or your password, click on Forgot Username link and follow the instructions to look for your username. Similarly, in case you've forgotten your password, click on the password link so that you can reset to your new password. After everything's typed in, click on the login button to log into your Paycom account. That is how you can easily do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with some more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.